Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a brand new limited edition from Look Fantastic and it's the Valentine's edit. And it's come in this really cute bag. It's quite a stiff bag as far as bags go. But no, I like it. I like that you got a tie there. So inside contains 10 beauty products. It has a value of £215 and can be bought for £55. If you subscribe to the Look Fantastic monthly beauty box, then you will get a discount. Yeah, let me know how much of a discount you lot get if you are a subscriber. I'm sure it used to be 15%. But anyway, I like this bag. It's nice, isn't it? You could fit quite a lot in it. It's huge. It's a lot bigger than what I thought. Just gives you an idea. I'm sure it says on the website, actually, that you can buy these bags or it's worth £15. So I'll do like a lucky dip thing where I just pull out a product at a time. We got Colour Wow, and this is extra large bombshell volumizer, and there's 195 mils here. This was huge all over TikTok, wasn't it? About a year or so ago. Everyone was buying it and using it and creating TikToks where their hair goes huge, massive big blowouts. Because I've got hair extensions in my hair. Where's my natural hair? How long is it? My natural hair is down to there. The majority of this is fake. It's actually quite wavy, so I don't need extra volume. This is not a product for me, unfortunately, but it's supposed to be a really good one. If I didn't have hair extensions in, then yeah, I'd give it a go, definitely. I might give it to my daughter. Then we've got Sol de Janeiro, and this is Fragrance Mist, Cheirosa 59. Share the warmth of a sunset with uplifting notes of vanilla orchid, sugared violet, and sheer sandalwood. And there's 30 mils there. I do like the smell. It's nice. It's really, really nice. It is really lovely. It is quite sweet. If it was a perfume, I'm not sure I'd go out and buy it, but I do like this and I do sometimes wear it. My daughter has got the full-size version of this. She's got the body lotion and the shower gel as well. So I can instantly smell her come in when she's got it on. Yeah, it's nice. There we got a mask. This is by Beauty Pro. Vitamin C brightening facial sheet mask, Korean skincare. A new biodegradable mask and packaging. Contains blueberry, yuzu citrus and sea blackthorn to brighten your complexion and improve elasticity. Targets fine lines and wrinkles, and it's suitable for all skin types. I think we're seeing more and more masks coming back, aren't we? There was a phase a couple of years ago where we were inundated with sheet masks to the point I had a huge stash. And I know, obviously, doing what I do, I probably buy a lot more beauty boxes than the average person. But I still was like, whoa, nearly every box had a sheet mask in. And then it went quiet and I could see it coming back into boxes. I do like them. I do use them regularly. But yeah, it did get a bit much of them all, didn't it? We got Glow Hub. Gleam Collagen Lip Glow Oil. Collagen Up Lip Glow. I said it all back to front. And I've got it in Milked. I don't think there's any information on the website that says we'll get different ones. So I think we'll all get the same. Let me know what you think of this Valentine's edit. Do you think it's better than last year's if you bought last year's? Or do you think last year's was better? I got a memory like a sieve. I can't remember. I honestly can't remember. Oh, I love the smell. It smells really fruity. So it's a collagen lip oil. It's got a slight tint. You're not going to really notice much on your lips. I'll give it a bit of a glow. I think I've already got that one. It's a nice lip product. What else? Got ELEMIS Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. It's a hydrating cleansing balm. And there's 20 grams there. You all know this, I don't like the smell of rose at all, and the ELEMIS Rose range does have a very strong English rose scent, but it doesn't put me off. I do love ELEMIS, and their cleansing balms are just gorgeous. Yeah, really strong rose smell. If this was a body lotion, then no, I wouldn't use it, but definitely cleansing, toning, things like that, I wouldn't hesitate in using rose products if I thought they were good. What is this? Bondi Sands. Oh, matte one day tan, instant wash off, flawless body mist. There's 75 grams here. I've never tried this. I love Bondi Sands, one of my favourite fake tan brands. Get a sun-kissed glow in an instant with Bondi Sands matte tan. This is so hard to read. I just want to know if it's water resistant. I don't want to be wearing it and it streaks everywhere. I doubt, I'm assuming so. Transfer and water resistant, okay. I won't wear white the first time I use it though, just in case. Easily washes off with soap and warm water. Yeah, I like that. Really good, handy for like last minute tan top-ups. If you love tanning, that is. If you don't, then obviously you're not going to like this product. I do. I love fake tanning. And if it's a really nice one, then I'll probably go out and buy it because it's a handy thing to have for like last minute nights out where I can't be bothered to like do a fake full tan, or if my fake tan is fading, topping it up and things like that. Legs are the issues with me. I'm trying to feel around. I've got two things in my hand here. They're quite small. Then we've got Dr. Levy, and this is Intense Stem Cell. It's an eye booster concentrate. Now, even though this is 7 mils, on the website, it says that this is worth over £100. I have used it before. It's a gel. I'll definitely use that. But is it worth over £100? Would I buy it? Probably not. But I don't mind having it in beauty boxes. Next, we've got Iconic London. Oh, I like this one as well. This is a sheer blush in Rose Riot. These blushes are gorgeous. I've already got this shade. So I'll see if my daughter might want it. Actually, she might have it as well. It's so, so lovely. If you love like a dewy flushed look, and it's buildable as well. This is more of a peachy sort of colour. You see, it's like a water cream, isn't it? But look how gorgeous that is. I have put a lot on. Let's blend that out a bit more. It's very, very subtle. As you can see, I've got really pale hands, so it's subtle, and then you can, when it dries down, you can build on it again. I love the finish on it. It does give like a dewy finish. It's not sparkly, it's not glittery. Yeah, before I blend it in, can you see? It just makes your skin look really nice and healthy. You can see the difference there, the colour. So yeah, it's a really gorgeous product. I've already got this one, so I'll probably pass that on. It's 9 products. The 10th product is the actual bag. So the last item is a Luxe The Face, and this is Illuminating Self Tan Drops, light to medium. Oh, we got a little teeny tiny 4 ml one there. So maybe good for a night out or a weekend away or something, where you just fancy a bit of extra glow. It is a nice one. You can mix it in moisturiser, put it straight onto your face, whatever. Put it in your foundation and let it like glow over the day as well. It is a nice oil. It feels nice on the skin, and it doesn't leave my skin looking too orange, which is not what I like. And there you go. Got the bag then. So for £55 with a value of £215, you've got the bag, Colour Wow Extra Large Bombshell Mousse, Bondi Sands Matte One Day Tanning Spray, Intense Stem Cell Eye Concentrating Gel by Dr. Levy. You've got a Lip Glow by Glow Hub, Sol de Janeiro Cheirosa 59 Fragrance Mist, Luxe The Face Tanning Facial Oil, ELEMIS Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. I was just about to put this in there then. Can you imagine? This is the new Tatcha, the Longevity Memory Cream. I've been doing another video, so you'll see that soon. Can you imagine if I put that in there? You'd be like, yeah, I'm going to buy it straight away. You didn't mention the Tatcha, Claire, but it's obviously in there. Beauty Pro Vitamin C Sheet Mask and Sheer Blush by Iconic London. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this? Do you think it's a really great edit this year? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. Maybe a nice luxurious body cream and a shower gel. I'm just thinking Valentine's, maybe getting ready for a night out or something, you know. Yes, you've got some nice skincare in here and some makeup products, and you've got hair products, so they've covered everything, and a face mask and things. But I think maybe, yeah, like a cream or a shower gel would have been a nice added extra. But yeah, let me know your thoughts anyway. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.